Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and as promised, the kitchen, part the first. Stay tuned. Morning everyone, so you join me in the kitchen, which is, well, been finished for nearly 2 years now. So editing this here video has been quite mad for myself, seeing it back how it was, and me as well. Although, to be fair, I haven't changed that much, worryingly. Part one, the kitchen, deconstruction, destroying stuff. So sit back, relax. I'll hand you over to myself from a couple of years ago. Enjoy. Right, so quick update. As you can see, got that filled in, apart from this little bit here. It's going to leave a tail, both the waste and the main, well, about here, for any future water-based construction over there. That would be a swimming pool. Small one, but a swimming pool nonetheless. Yeah, so it's pretty much all filled in, just ready for concrete, which is going to have to wait until I get hold of a cement mixer at some point in the future. So, next bit's going to get that smashed out. Then I move inside to the kitchen, so plan there is to get rid of all this, so that's surplus requirement. Take the radiator off the wall, because that's going to be going on this wall, and remove the pipe, and I'm going to cap it somewhere around about here, because it goes up there. And I'll tell you for why there is method to my madness. That point out there is higher than the boiler and the automatic air bleeds that don't seem to be working that well. So I'm just going to drain this, cut it outside over there, cap them with solar caps, because it seems that here, we call it compression fittings, are a thing, but not end caps, blanking caps, whatever you want to call them. Or certainly not in the local builders merchants. They seem to have everything else, but they had solder on one, so that'll have to do. Ultimately, all that pipe work's going to get changed anyway. But yeah, want that radiator off the wall. Yeah, and at some point, cut a trench for hot water pipe across the floor, and ultimately the heating pipes to come up from the floor for the radiator will be there. Not gonna lie, not looking forward to that, because it's all hard as. So it's been a while since I drained the radiator. Used to do it a lot back in the day when I was fitting bathrooms and taking them apart and stuff. So first off, turn the boiler off. It's only running at about a bar, so I'm going to drain this leg here. Kick off by undoing the drain valve, and then probably cracking this down here and letting the water drain out into buckets. So yeah, let's jump into that, eh?
Obviously, well, it's every day of school then, isn't it?
how else will you fix it to the wall? Various ways of screwing them on. So, Spanish building mysteries, or Spanish construction mysteries. I think so. Maybe, who knows? It's a big one though. So, since starting this building malarkey in Spain, I've been introduced to stuff called yeso, which appears to get used for almost everything, it would seem. It's usually a gypsum-based plaster product, thick, seemingly thin, yeah, fill holes, and now it seems put bricks together. And what I don't understand is why it needs to be this thick here. As it's finished quite smooth there, and that was the underneath of the I don't even know, cupboard cooker hood thing that was up there that was made from brick and yeso, not brick and mortar, brick and yeso, which is probably why it came apart quite easily. But yeah, it's confusing. Later, when you take the tiles off, now it does seem that the tiles are stuck on with concrete mortar, but they seem to be proud of the wall by about the thickness of a sheet of plasterboard. Yeah, so looking forward to that. Mysteries of Yeso. Yeah, it's everywhere. Still haven't quite worked out. I've asked, in my terrible Spanish, about plaster for walls. Oh yeah, yeso. Like, and so, oh, have you got yeso? Like it's the most natural thing in the world. Well, no, I want the dark pink plaster. Heaven forbid. Yeah, when it actually comes to doing drywall, it looks like it may well just be drywall, not skimmed, which I hate. I really hate that. Mainly because I can't actually plaster. Have to see when we get there, which won't be too far away. New ceiling, slightly lower space for cables, lights, etc. Me, I would just put some battens up and screw the plaster onto battens. Oh no, they have aluminium profiles that you hang from the ceiling like some sort of suspended ceiling, and then screw the plaster onto that. Now, whether that worked out cheaper than 2 or 4 or 2 by 2 or whatever, I have no idea as yet. Again, I'm going to find out fairly shortly because I need to do the kitchen soon. But yeah, it's just like a constant world of discovery. Yeah, similar to the UK, but different. Anyway, I need to get on clearing all this up. I really should go and buy myself a wheelbarrow. It would make my life a whole lot easier. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Catch you in a bit. Oh yeah, and on the subject of construction mysteries, so the extractor fan thing there with the aluminium thing going upstairs through the camera chamber attic space, the big room upstairs with a brick built, and it looks like yeso chimney round all the way to the ceiling, when they could have just stuck it out the hole there and put a vent on the outside wall. Answer on a postcard or down below. So you see, got the tiles off, made a bit of a mess, but we're just going to dot and dab that anyway. with the plasterboard. So next move, get that finished. There's quite a lot of these just sort of fell off, as did the adhesive, some not so much. These seem to be stuck on really well, but obviously come off. So next move, get rid of that. May well fill up that there hole. I think it used to be a fan or some expression fan, something like that, but not needed anymore, so we can brick that up properly with bricks and mortar. And then cut a chase across the floor for the hot water pipe. And then I think we can crack on with the first fix for cutting chases for the electric. One down there, fridge and the oven and microwave. One down there for the hob, dishwasher, lights for the oven cabinets, on the hob, not the hob, hood, tractor fan, hood thing. I think one down there for the sockets there. Maybe one down there for sockets. Anyway, so yeah, cut a few chases, run a few wires in the ducting that they seem to like here, and yeah, let's start making good and actually building stuff, which will be cool. Looking forward to that. Because, yeah, I think certainly want to plasterboard on the walls and tiles on the floor, paint and possibly the ceiling and stuff. Start feeling wind. Anyway, crack on with that and speak to you in a bit. Water pipes, laser, got another laser. So yeah, bought this because, well, I used to have a couple in the UK and used them for everything. Just means cut a nice straight chase for the pipes going upstairs. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, that's what's happening next. Well, that does appear to be all the footage that I have of that particular phase. You might have noticed at points in the video I was in fact wearing it was a 3+ black on my chest, and it was even on at times because you could see the red light flashing. However, I have got no idea where that footage is. You'd think it'd be in there somewhere, but no, it's not. So, yeah, hope that's whetted your appetite to follow on. I did build myself a temporary kitchen next door to the kitchen. Some footage of that somewhere, maybe, might pop in at some point. And yeah, next up will be the first fix, which I think got mentioned. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you made it all the way in, awesome. Do all the usual sort of stuff if you like. If you don't, no biggie. But we will see you next time.